So you have the radiance, which the formula is here. So, or luminance in French. This is this is the diffraction power here emitted. This is the flux of by a differential projected area. So dA is the area, cos theta. So it becomes the projected area into the differential solid angle d omega here. So it's a definition. And irradiance, which is éclairement en français, is the differential flux incident on the surface, and in dA is the differential area of the surface. So yes, and yes, you have the photometric units, and here it's candela per square meter, and irradiance, it is for the photometric units, it's lux. Or lumen on meter square. BSDF. So BSDF is the most important instrument in Strelite. So it is the it stands for bidirectional scattering distribution function. You can see BRDF, which is B reflection here, and so it is the radiance of the scattering surface normalized by the irradiance incident on the surface. So roughly it is a transfer function between the power incident and the power scattered. So this is the, I think, the most important Strelite and TIS too, but BSDF is. So TIS, total internal scattering, this is the integral of the BSDF. So the wrong definition is the ratio between the power scatter on the power incident, but it is a wrong definition. But you can remind that because it's like that, but it is correct to do the integral of the BSDF. So when we can talk about the optics by giving the TIS of optics. For example, you have an optics who have a TIS of 10 ppm, for example. This optics 10 ppm. It diffuses not a lot. It's a flat optics, for example. So I will talk about the general study of the telescope design, the first part. First we did a simulation. This is on Zemax. It's optical design software, and it is very simple simulation because it's not really the reality. So there's only the primary mirror and the secondary mirror, and we put the configuration on the off-axis configuration. So we did the two simulation, and in the end we concluded that the off-axis configuration is the best solution. So there's we look at the detector position and we look at the intensity of scatter light, because in the software it gives us the intensity of scatter light, and so we conclude that the off-axis configuration enables us to have less stray light. No. Okay. So this is
Just the title. We don't understand what.
Yeah. So this is the simulation, two simulations on we call that direct mode for LISA to determine the critical surfaces. The study is confidential, so I don't have the right to show the telescope design and the numbers. So this is our telescope. It is a method on all Strelite study. The method is to first you have a source here. You go on this way to the telescope, and you have a tilt pupil here, and you look at the optics who scatter the light on the detector position. You look at the intensity of scatter light. And in the second configuration, you put the source on the exit pupil, and then the light goes from here to the entrance pupil. So it goes to the telescope in the other way, and so the light is scattered by the optics and goes to the entrance pupil where the source was. And so the method is that if you have optics who are in the two-way diffuse the light, so there are critical objects and illuminated objects, and so there will be a problem. There will be the source of stray lights, and this is how we define critical optics. Because if there's optics, if there is optics who don't diffuse the light a lot, it's not a problem. And in this case, it is easy because all the telescope optics will diffuse. But when you have a complex system with baffle, tubes, vanes, it's more complicated than that. So after doing simulation and looking at the numbers I cannot show to you, the most critical optics are the optics close to the detector and smaller optics. So which is the conclusion of our first study on the... And here, this is the telescope analysis. So Thales Alenia Space fixed the design of telescope, and then we analyze their design. So this is the reverse mode. So we look at the real problem, as I said. So we are at the exit pupil, and you look at the transmitted beam to the other side. Because here you will have a bigger beam and through a telescope, and so the transmitted beam goes from here. And the problem is that the light, which is backscattered by the optics to the detector position. So this is the real case of LISA, and this is the configuration we will study. Well, this is not.
Yeah, that's probably.
Try with my computer. Sorry.
You convert it to PDF already. Sorry.
Bây giờ còn đang làm không? Bất kỳ
Không.
Hang out set screen.
Cái phòng này không hư. Hay là em làm PDF?
PDF ấy. Hoặc là bưng bày của Trang ấy.
Là em không biết em có vô anh hang out được không?
Thế người ta có file của em vào cái hang out.
Dạ.
Bị full luôn.
Thì anh lấy một cái hoàn ra đây.
Chắc là bạn của em đúng không?
Dạ. Thì
Rồi,
gia đình em là...
gần 200 người đang theo dõi em.
Bị full luôn.
Vừa con vẫn đang PDF rồi. Đây.
Tôi có bị lỗi không?
À, dạ.
Và để cái đoạn công thức này.
Nhưng mà cái công thức tại vì đầy công thức mà không thôi không nói công thức cũng được.
Dạ, cái này của mình. Tôi không cần share screen đâu, chỉ cần có bình thường.
Set screen thì tốt hơn.
Công thức này có bị lỗi không em?
Lỗi ấy.
Lỗi hoàn toàn.
Đó là
Mà em không xuất ra thành PDF à?
Không, em gửi PowerPoint nên là...
Nó configure của máy khác nhau.
Em vô được rồi, em mà
Em share cái screen.
Share screen ấy.
share screen. À, share screen.